Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everybody, welcome again to my channel that is Gus ASP.NET Source Code. And don't forget to visit my website that is gusaspnetsourcecode.com. My website is suitable for beginner. In my website, I have two simple applications that are receive payment management system and simple receive payment. And in this video, in this chapter, I will presentate user manual chapter 6 that is Kasbang Master Kasbang. Okay, now let's start. Let's open our application that is Gus Receive Payment Management System. Click in this link. And then click login. Master Cash and Bank. Definition: Cash bank is a place where the company's money is being stored. For example, company name is Masagus. Masagus stored its money in 3 bank account, 2 e-wallet, and 2 cash box. These three bank account, 2 e-wallet, and 2 cash box are called cash bank. Okay. Cash bank maintenance rules. Primary key is Gus Cash Bank. Here it is, the Gus Cash Bank. Generated automatically at approved process. We cannot create our Gus Cash Bank. The system will generate this Gus Cash Bank automatically. Unique key number 1, Cash Bank code. Means that duplicate value for cash bank code is not allowed. Unique key 2, cash bank name. Means that duplicate value for cash bank name is not allowed. Active. Only active cash bank can be used for receive payment transaction. Cashier. Each cash bank must have one employee acting as a cashier, the one who responsible to the cash bank and maintain all transactions related to the cash bank. For example, Neng Suni is a cashier to a cash bank named Sulis Bank. It means only Neng Suni can commit receiving payment or transfer related to Sulis Bank, and Neng Suni must responsible to Sulis Bank. Okay, now let's continue. Master Cash Bank consists of 2 parts. Cash Bank Master. Let's go into Cash Bank, Cash and Bank. Now the first part is Cash Bank Master. This will display, we can display list of cash bank. Here are our cash bank. We have here about 11 cash bank. History update of each cash bank. We can also display history update. Click this Gus Cash Bank. Here it is. This Bank Sulis was created at 23 February 605 and then edited at 23 February 606. Let's back to the list. For example, about the Bank Suen. That's it. It was created at 4 April 1955 and edited at 4 April 25 at 801. Okay. Now let's continue. The second part is cache bank maintenance. In this part, we can create new cache bank. We can edit cache bank data. Now let's see our application. Cache bank data maintenance. Click this link. Let's repeat. To go to data maintenance, to add or edit, click data maintenance. And then to create, add, and then choose new cache bank, leave Goose cache bank empty, and input the cache bank code. For example, I will input cache bank code SHA cache bank name is, for example, active. Cache bank type is, for example, bank. The cashier is, for example, Shafi'i. Description. Okay. Sample maintenance node is new data. Now let's save. Save success. Let's see our master. Let's find Shafi'i. There are no cache bank named Shafi'i because the status is just created. Let's see our data flow. Here is our data flow. When the process save, data is taken from employee master and then stored into maintenance data. Data stored in maintenance data. You see here, data is not in cache bank master yet. Later, in the process save approve, data from maintenance data will be sent to cache bank master. Okay, I repeat. When process save, data was taken from employee master and input into maintenance data. And when process approve, data in the maintenance data will be sent to cache bank master. Okay. Now let's approve. Shafi is not here yet. Now I approve. Yes. And let's see. Now it's been here now. I hope this is easy to create a new cache bank. Let's see our documentation. Our rule, I will try to explain our rule. The rule 1, the unique key is cache bank code. Means duplicate value for cache bank code is not allowed. Now I will demonstrate. I will try to create a cache bank with the cache bank code the same as SYA0707. For example, the name is for example, we will see that process save will fail. Okay, save. Saving failed because SYA0707 or cashbank name already exists in master. Why? This is because cashbank code SYA0707 already exists in master. Let's check. Here it is. This is already exists here. What if I will create the name is as that's the same, and I change the code to be, now let's save. It is failed as just the same because cashbank name Shafi'i 19370707 already exists. Okay, this is what we mean with unique key is cashbank code and cashbank name. Okay, now I will change both of them. Now I will save. Okay, now I will save. You see, this is the cashbank code. I change the cashbank code and also the cashbank name. Now let's save. Yes, the save is now success. Let's see our data. This is not in cashbank master yet. Now let's approve. Yes. Let's check. Now it is already in our master. Now rule active. Only active cashbank can be used for receive payment transaction. Now let's check. I will show you. I will create receive payment transaction. And I will find the cashbank. As for example, I will use this SYA0709. Fine. Sorry. SYA. There is no SYA0709. Why? Because the status of this cash bank is not active. So when we try to find the SYA0709, it is not displayed here. Let's find here SYA0909, 0709. This is not here. Now, so if I want to use the 0709, I have to change the status to be active. Let's see. I create cashbank maintenance. The maintenance type is edit. Let's find the cashbank. The cashbank that I want to edit is SYA0709. I check active, and the note is activate SYA. I save. Let's see our master. It is still N or no. Active is no. Now I will approve. Yes. And let's check. This will already change to yes. Fine. Yes. Let's see here. The SYA0709 is now active. Now let's check our cashbank transaction. You see here, there is no SYA0709. I click find. Let's see. Now SYA 0709 will be displayed here. I'm sorry. Let's find. Now it is already here. SYA 0707 is now displayed in the list. Let's click here. This is what I mean with active. Only active cashband can be used for receive payment transaction. Okay, everybody. I hope this is clear enough about cashbank. Let's review our documentation. Read carefully this documentation. Okay, everybody. I hope this is clear enough, and I hope this is useful for you. And if you think that this documentation is useful, and then please subscribe my channel, and also you can visit my website, that is gusespnetsourcecode.com. And if you want to contact us, you can click here for comment or ask. You can input your name, your visitor ID, your password, and the application name you want to comment, and then click comment, click submit, and then wait for our reply. Please remember your visitor ID and also your password, because you will need your visitor ID and password to check our reply by input your visitor ID here and also your password and get login. Okay, everyone. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video.